Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Brains. So today we have Nifty and Bank Nifty chart open here. So let us understand what can happen tomorrow in the market and let us analyze few points what happened today. Okay, so as per as yesterday's video, we clearly told like if there is a gap up, right, or a flat opening or whatever, but market can find a selling pressure, right? So on top only it is seen that a red candle was there, but new positions was not at all suggested to take, right? When a red candle forms here, generally the people keep the stop loss here and tries to sell. Okay, so this was the fall expected, and if you see here also a trend line was there. So those who have booked here, those who have like took the trade here in this particular area, they have actually booked the profit over there, right? So now let us see one important point here. So the sell-off came, right, but it immediately took a support at this particular level. Okay, and if you see, this particular level is the previous support, okay, here. So understand one important thing. So here the support was there, market fell down at this particular point. This is Bank Nifty chart, so understand the level as far as Bank Nifty. Okay, so market took a support in this particular level and it started moving up. And you should know, like, one thing is very important, that we should not buy in the first pullback. We should always wait for the second pullback. Okay, so why I am saying, because generally according to the price action, from here market can come down and come like this, right? But we told only important thing is W pattern in the market, right? So what is the W pattern? It's clearly, if the market took a support here, tomorrow it has to open flat, okay, or gap up. If flat or gap up is opening there in the market, it can easily test tomorrow 35,800. okay, and yes, you're right, it's 400 points in Bank Nifty. Tomorrow it can move up if there is a gap up or a flat opening. Okay, so this pattern will be very visible tomorrow if there is a gap up opening. Okay, so now at which particular level it should open? So near about 35,500, right, and 35,300, in between this level. Okay, if it opens, okay, just wait for a price action. New price action will be there here, and the market can shoot up to 35,800, that is previous day's high. Okay, so this view is very much clear. Okay, don't go against any trend. Okay, because see, tomorrow if there is a gap up, what happens is there will be no sellers. When sellers will be coming, sellers will be absolutely coming below this particular levels. Okay, so if a 15 minutes candle, okay, just remember one thing, if a 15 minutes candle closes below, a whole 15 minutes candle closes below this particular line, okay, you can initiate a sell position over here. Keep quantity less, but the risk to reward will be very high, because here you will be putting the risk of very minimum. Stop losses will be very minimum, and you can easily get a target of this here 35,000 levels. Okay, and if you see here, there is no much support in this particular 35,000 also, and aggressive selling can come also. So below 35,000, this particular level 34,400 also it can travel. So 1,000 point of correction is possible only when tomorrow Bank Nifty opens negative. Okay, so you will have, and obviously will get a good buying trade if tomorrow flat or gap up opening is there. So I mean, if the Bank Nifty is opening around here and you will see a price action is moving up, remember one thing, in the first half it has to be in positive, and in second half it will move. Okay, so this view is very clear. Tomorrow it can be trending. Okay, so try to follow this trend. If there is a gap up or a flat opening, you have to long the positions, okay, in Bank Nifty and Nifty as well. So let me just go to the Nifty chart and let me clear out the things. So if you go to the Nifty chart, it is having the exact same thing. So this particular area, okay, just let me remove this line so that you can understand. Okay, so here if you see, today in the red candle the market fell here, it went up, it again came down. Okay, so in this particular area, okay, so in this particular area, if tomorrow market opens in flat or a gap up, okay, so anywhere in between these levels, okay, if market opens, it will generally take a support over here and it will break the resistance, and a previous or the new high can be also seen. Okay, so whatever trades we have, Bajaj Finance, we have HDFC Life, okay, and Bank Nifty future also, if you are planning to take, you can take it tomorrow itself. You can take even 3 trades tomorrow, only if market is opening flat or little bit positive. Okay, and what is the most important thing, whatever future position if you are holding, okay, that is HDFC Life, that is Bajaj Finance or Bank Nifty, whatever, if you are holding anything, if market opens gap down, okay, above this below this particular areas, okay, these areas, you should exit the position, okay, and convert it into a sell position, because you will see the next support is around here, right? So why should we just lose this particular type of trades? If you have longed anything and if the market is looking weak, just exit it and go for sell positions, okay, according to a level, because here in the sell side also we'll get a good risk to reward till this particular level, okay. So that's it. The analysis is very quick and short, and because tomorrow's trading will be very simple, okay. If there is a gap up or to a like flat up market will definitely move up, because no sellers will be coming, and from tomorrow's like live market you can easily understand these important points. And if anyhow market goes below this particular support and keeps a closing in the sense a 15 minutes candle closes, it will definitely come below this 15,400 and all these levels, okay. So generally tomorrow is Wednesday, and before one day before the expiry the moves are huge, so be very cautious about what you trade tomorrow. So thank you everyone, have a good day, and please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks.